Hi Cancer, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to another You and Yours reading. This is You and Yours is a reading for you and the person who you are, who's uppermost on your mind, who's affecting your energy. So this could be a love interest, could be anyone else, could be a parent, teacher, guide, neighbor, father, child. Let's see who's going to come out for you and what is it that you need to be aware of and how you can deal with this energy. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, these are general collective readings. Each and every reading will not resonate with every Cancer out there. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. And also Cancer, this is for the second half of June, but time is fluid, so you could have already been through something like this, are going through it, or will go through something like this in the immediate future. So be mindful of that. So 2 sets of cards, Cancer, one for you, one for your person, and collective energy in the center, Hermit. Lot of deep reflection going on, Cancer. Cancer, even though I'll read one side as you and the other side as your person, feel free to flip the energy in case you feel you resonate more on the other side. 4 of Cups, Queen of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, King of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. The other side we have 7 of Swords, 4 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles, the Star, 6 of Cups, 8 of Wands, and the Death in reverse. Mutual energy, 4 of Swords, the Sun, and the Judgment. So that's a good thing to have the Sun as a mutual energy in the center is good, but let's see what you're going through right now. Person A. Now, Cancer, I don't know whether this is you or not, so I'll just refer to both the energies as person A and person B. So person A is sitting in a very depressed state of mind. King of Swords in reverse. Now, this is a person who is pretends to be strong, maybe pretends to be strong, but right now is seeming pretty powerless, and he is sitting very depressed, sad, upset. Or is it how you see the other person? Yes, there is no passion, there's no forward movement, there is nothing this person is doing. They're just sitting and maybe wrapped up in their past, upset, sad, maybe about a commitment that they had either with you or with somebody else, maybe about a relationship which went wrong. They are embarrassed at the moment, they are sad, they are feeling weak. Also, they feel people are probably talking about them, and that's leading them to feel very ashamed. Yeah, that's a card for feeling ashamed. They're feeling very ashamed of what has happened in the past, in their maybe personal life, and they're feeling very, very sad about them. Yes, they feel everything has come, excuse me, they're feeling everything has come to a total ending here in their life, and they're trying to find courage to face this. Now, who is this Queen of Wands on their end? Was this an ending which happened with the Queen of Wands? Queen of Wands is, yes, they maybe they wanted to take a cup of love to this queen who rejected them. Okay, maybe that's why this person is sitting around looking that embarrassed and upset. One more card, Spirit. Yes, this whatever was happening in their life came to a total standstill, total stagnation in their life, and they are feeling totally beaten down. They are sad, they're upset, and I don't want to repeat myself. So right now they are in that place of the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they are definitely looking for a fresh new beginning, probably with you, because this seemed to be their past energy. They really want a fresh new beginning with you, because they feel things have not been just towards them. They are in that self-pity, poor me syndrome right now, and they feel that the world is against them and nothing ever goes right for them, and yet whatever they have put in the past has not really given any results. Okay, so I think here they are coming towards person B with a cup of love, which is a Knight of Cups. Okay, Cancer. If this person is coming towards you, or you're going towards this person, this is not. This is just a small offer. Okay, this could also be with maybe a child. I don't know. This is a very a half offer. I don't know how to say this, but it's not a pure sun shining bright King of Cups kind of an energy. This is Knight of Cups with the sun in reverse. It's a half-hearted kind of a offer of love. Only because this person has been through maybe some misery on their own and they want to come out of it. Okay, but this person, Cancer, is the King of Wands in reverse. Again, a King of Wands upright is a king who's a go-getter, who gets things done, who's action-oriented. This person, there's no fire. There's absolutely no fire. They're half-hearted in their attempts. They are not strong right now. King of Pentacles is in reverse as well. I don't think they're financially that strong either, and they are looking at you. And the King of Wands is clarified by the King of Wands. Okay, no fire, no fire, no fire here. No fire at all. And yes, they are maybe looking at you now to give them some hope of happiness. Clarify the King of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, they feel they have had no growth in their life. Okay, Empress in reverse. They feel that either the Empress has turned against them, or they feel that there is no growth left in their life, and they're feeling defeated and very, very powerless. Very powerless. I mean, I've never seen so many kings and come in reverse. I have 4 kings in reverse. I have the King of Wands, the Emperor, King of Wands, and the King of Pentacles, all in reverse. So person feeling totally down and out. There is no fire, no action, no will as such to do anything. How does person be, Cancer, if this is you? How do you feel about this person now? 7 of Swords. You see this person as a bit sneaky. Okay, you feel they are an escapist, and they run away from their troubles. You really feel that wherever they are down and out, they come maybe running back to you, or they run away from a situation which goes wrong in their life. A clarifier, Spirit, for the 7 of Swords. This is somebody you've known for a long time, Cancer. This is somebody from your past. Maybe you've had some sweet memories, or this could be a younger brother, child, sibling, anyone who you've known since childhood, maybe, or for a long period of time. And this person just, every time they are in this state, they just come running back to you. And you are now in that state where you are not wanting to fight their battles anymore. You are quite fed up, Cancer. You're quite fed up of this person, and you are thinking, oh, how can I drop this person? I don't want to fight their battles anymore. And how can I release 4 of Pentacles in reverse? How can I release this person from my life, maybe, or from the responsibilities they put me through? But you are not understanding how to, you don't want this person to return back to you. You don't want this person returning back to you. Each time, they go through this place where they leave their cups behind and walk away, they return back to you. Okay? Then this has been like an ongoing kind of a situation, it seems. And this really doesn't make you happy. It just doesn't make you happy. Yeah, you feel there is no wish fulfillment with them. Okay? I have the Star in reverse here as well. Again, says the same thing. Wish is not coming true, and you don't find happiness and wish fulfillment with this person, and you really this person keeps you stuck. Each time they come back, your life goes into a stalemate again, and you are desperate to come out of this. The Six of Cups in reverse. Okay, this again was the cup of. It came in earlier as well, of you knowing this person from the past and having sweet memories. Right now, I don't think the memories are that sweet anymore. Okay, and yes, this person, every time they come back, you wonder why they are back in your life, and you just want to release this. You figured out that there is no equal give and take here. There is nothing equal here. It's when they need you is when they come back to you, and they don't even tell you. There is no clear communication with them. So many cards, but I'll take them. Yes, King of Pentacles in reverse again. This is how you see them. This is, I think, the fifth or sixth king which is in reverse. This is how you think of them, that they are not practical. They're just not practical, and then there's no working together with this person. You really want to be making a decision regarding this now, Cancer. You want to make a decision to say, no, please, enough. I don't want to re-round with you again. I don't want a rebirth with you again. And but you don't know how to say this to this person, I think. You're not understanding of how to communicate this to them, that you are fed up and you want to release this heartbreak and pain that they bring to your life. You are trying to avoid, Cancer, the inevitable, okay? You're trying to resist this change. You know it has to be said, it has to be done, but somewhere, heart of hearts, maybe you care for this person, you love this person, because there is the sun in the center of the spread. This could be your child, could be someone you really care for, or have sweet memories with. You are trying to delay telling them this for as long as possible. But Cancer, please know, death is a card. You can't really delay, okay? Right now you're in troubled waters. You don't know how to get away from it, and you're going to stay there. The longer you're going to delay this death energy in reverse, you're just delaying your pain, I would say, or delaying moving away to happier times for yourself. And you know that, right? You know that you're in deep reflection here, Hermit. You have been thinking about it non-stop. Oh, what happened here? The cards kind of got mixed up. 1 second. Yeah. So let's see your mutual energy right now. 4 of Swords in reverse. So both of you, I think, have right now been not really expressing to each other. I think around the second week of June, you both are going to start coming out of this phase where you've both been in reflection and not talking to each other, keeping quiet. One spirit, what am I saying? One card, Spirit, for the 4 of Swords in reverse. Secrets will be told, okay? You both are both are going to come together, I think, and start sharing all the things that person B will demand to know, and person A has been maybe stuffing deep within and not talking about it. I think both of you are going to have very clear communication, and a lot of secrets are going to come out about what is it that, what is this relationship which is not making either of you happy. I think people are going to talk. Yes, both actually want this wheel of fortune to move now, okay, in a better way. So that, we can have clear communication, lay down some rules, some boundaries, so that instead of staying stuck for so long, we can both, maybe this is a relative or somebody you can never leave, or maybe a past life connection. You have to make it with this person, right? So by talking to each other and communicating, this wheel of fortune, I think, can move forward now. And yes, the sun can shine, and yes, there is a big possibility, Cancer, of rebirth in this connection, okay? I have 2 beautiful cards in the center. One is the sun and one is the judgment card. So let's take one more card for the sun, Spirit. One more card. Yes, I think you're both going to shed light to why both of you are not happy, and you're both going to realize it's because of lack of communication. both of you have been sitting in your head and not talking to the other person, and that's led to all this heartache and pain. This person has deep wounds which I think they are burying, and this person doesn't know how to deal with it. So I think right now we're going to shed light on that. Let's take another card for the Judgment. What is this Judgment, Spirit? Is there a rebirth in this relationship? What is this Judgment card for? I think Cancer, whatever you are going to get to know about, whatever secrets are going to come out, it's going to make you feel a bit embarrassed. It's going to make you feel probably ashamed, public humiliation. Maybe this person has some secrets which have never been told to you, and all that is going to come out in the open. Lots will come to light, that's for sure. And I think both of you have been feeling miserable, both been looking at the past, too wrapped up in the past, I would say, because on your end also I had Cancer, the Six of Cups in reverse, which is a card of being totally stuck in your past memories. Okay, I think both of you have been stuck in your past and not realizing that there are two cups behind. All you have to do is turn around and forget the past now. Forget the past, what happened, what didn't happen, and turn this wheel of fortune in upright and move forward. Move forward. There is a huge possibility, yes, but it totally free will here, Cancer. It's up to you if you can have this communication with this person. If that's possible, yes, it is possible to have a rebirth in this relationship. If you are stuck with this person, you might as well make the best of it, then be miserable with them. So let's see how Cancer, this person, feels about you. How does Cancer's person feel about Cancer? How does Cancer's person feel? Oops. How does Cancer's person feel about Cancer? Spirit? Okay. One more, Spirit. One more. How does Cancer's person feel about Cancer? Cancer, your person thinks that you are a very compassionate, very intuitive, very loving, very kind person for them. Okay, but they also feel, yes, they have not matched your love. They are the King of Cups in reverse energy. They feel, yes, even though you have always given them whatever they wanted, you've been good to them, they have not been able to match your energy, and they have been, yes, the little mischief maker in your life. Okay, and yes, they do want to now put in the effort, have a fresh new beginning with you if possible. If you allow them, they realize their mistakes and they realize what you mean to them. Cancer, how do you see a person? Oh, Cancer, how do you see a person? Jesus Christ. Cancer, how do you see a person? Cancer, the same cards that came out earlier, I think. Yeah. King of Swords in reverse, you see them as a person who is untrustworthy. You see them as a person who doesn't take action. You see them as somebody who is powerless. The Emperor is out again. Exactly the cards which came out to describe this person is, you know what this person is all about. And you also see them as stuck. Okay, they're stuck either in their life or they're stuck with you, and there is no movement from their end at all in any positive direction. So what is the mutual energy between the two of you? What is the outcome, or most possible outcome? Most possible outcome for Cancer and that person. Most possible outcome, Cancer, is yes, both you're trying to go within, and even though right now you are feeling powerless, you're feeling powerless about the situation which you feel, there is no work being put in. You are trying to use your heart and your soul to kind of make decisions here. Even though right now there is no strength left, and you don't see any working together either, or anybody putting in the work, you are still standing strong, and you are you're the boss as always. Let's seek an angel card for you and see how the angels can bless you or guide you. A card for Cancer, please, to help them navigate this person, the energy here. You have to be very forthright, Cancer. You have to be very forthright and speak your truth. Okay, otherwise you'll get taken for granted, and that's not a very happy place to be in. Yes, you have a lot of love for this person, and consider this to be a learning experience of your life, whatever has been to be a learning experience in your life. This person keeps coming back to your life, and if you keep repeating the same thing over and over again, it will lead you to the same result. So speak your truth, and let them shoulder some of the responsibilities, and then you'll see the miracles begin to happen, because they are stuck on you. They do love you. It's up to you how to make it work. And that's all I have for you, Cancer. Till next time now, love and light.